the formula will return us the complete number of days between start date and end date. In this video, I would like to show you how to calculate the exact number of days between two dates in Google Sheets. Now, there is a formula that will give us this result, and it is called DATEDIF. Now, this function will take a start date, an end date, and a unit, and I will just serve it the start date and the end date as the first two parameters. And for the unit, if we scroll down over here, we can see that the unit can be M, Y, D, MD, YM, and YD. Now, this is a more complicated formula, and if you want to learn more about it, please leave a comment down below and I will make a comprehensive tutorial about it. But if you just want to calculate the difference in days between two dates, we just have to serve it a D as the third parameter, hit enter, and the formula will return us the complete number of days between start date and end date. This is the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you have any questions.